Mbukeli elokugcina ncikelela ihora esilidikadikayo ohlelweni Ekhaya Jikelele sigutshazelwe ife elimnyama ezweni njengoba kukhotheme uqweqwe lomlingisi uma kade bona wemidlalo yeshashalezi uDokotela uMbongeni Ngema uyafihlwa ke namhlanje mbukeli lapha ya eThekwini esifundazweni iKwaZulu Natal. Awu sithi lala ngoxolo Ntombizi ngicela ukhisi phumula insizwa yasemangadini lenhlwathi.
Singena ke kwi-yure yethu yesithathu neyokugqibela yenkqubo yanamhlanje. Ngenene uvimba wethu wanamhlanje siwupheke wavuthwa kwenyama idubudubu kodwa ke ngamacebe ekhiwa ngamacephe kodwa ke asaphelela apho mbukeli ngoba ke siye sawuphaka sawuchaka. Ngoku ke sizawuqwela ze emva koko nje sithi ncwe siphume kanje kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba senze njalo hlala nathi nawe sihlale nawe apho ekhaya masijonge ke mbukeli eziphala phambili kule yure yokugqibela yenkqubo.
Liyafihla namhlanje eThekwini KwaZulu Natal elinye lamaciko aqavile nelazakhe ligama ngisho eBroadway phesha kwelwandle uMbongeni Ngema.
Wentunu zumboleke ndukuma uzumboleke ubhokobo heya mingayithengana wentunu zumboleke
Umncwabo wephondo okhethekileyo wombhali wemidlalo yeqongo odumileyo nobekwa yimvumi uMbongeni Ngema uzawuqhutywa namhlanje eICC eThekwini. Umncwabo kaNgema uqhuba nangona amanye amalungu osapho esithi uNgema befuna ukungcwatyelwa enhlwathi kumantla KwaZulu Natal. UNhlanhla Ngema ongumninawo walomdlali akagungqi ngelithi usapho luzibeke bucala yantlukwano zalo ngendawo aza kungcwatyelwa kuyo uNgema. uNgema ubhubhe kwingozi yemoto eMpuma Koloni kwinyanga ephelileyo. Oscar Pistorius owagwetyelwa ukubulala uyakhululwa namhlanje. Isebe lenkonzo zoluleko liqinisekisile isigqibo sebhodi yoluleko nenqawule sokukhulula uPistorius ngenqawule. uPistorius oneminyaka engama-37 budala wafunyanwa enetyala lokubulala owayencuma naye uRiver Steenkamp ngosuku lweValentines phantse kwiminyaka eli-11 eyadlulayo. Uneminyaka engaphezu kwesibhozo evalelwe. Isebe lenkonzo zoluleko lithi imiqathango yenqawule iza kusebenza kuPistorius. Inxalenye ke yemiqathango yakhe yenqawule ibandakanya ukuba anikwe igosa eliza kumbeka esweni. Kananjalo kuya kufuneka aye kwiinkqubo ezinobundlobongela obusekezelwe kwisini kwaye aqhubeke neeseshini zonyango ezingolawulo lomsindo. uPistorius akavumelekanga ukuba asele utywala kunye naziphi na ezinye izinto ezingavumelekanga. Kananjalo ke akasayi kuvunyelwa ukuba enze udliwano-ndlebe nonondaba.
Amabhasi edolobha laseGoli Rea Vaya angasabuyela emgwaqeni kusukela namuhla. Ekhaya business rescue practitioner usethathe intambo kuRea Vaya uthi abasebenzi basamukela isiphakamiso abasinikiwe. Inkantolo yezabasebenzi eGoli ikhipha isinqumo sokuthi umbhikisho wabasebenzi bakwaRea Vaya ubungekho emthethweni. Isebenza kwaRea Vaya beyibhikishela ukungakhokhelwa kwamabhonasi okwaholela ekumisweni ke kwamabhasi. Nokho bathenjiswe ukuthi imali izokhokhwa kancane kusukela ngoMsombuluko. iPilot Trans esebenza ngamabhasi eRea Vaya yafakwa ohlelweni lokutakulwa ngokwebhizinisi ngenyanga edlule kulandela izinsolo zokungaphathwa kahle kwezimali. Mbukelo kwamayisothi nje kequnga seyitolo kodwa mangabe sibuya sobe sesiba nengxoxo noma kade bona wombhali wemidlalo faka phakathi Mubango uDumandlovu mayelana nokudlula emhlabeni kwenqalabutho kwezishashalazi kanye nobuciko uMbongeni Ngema. Eyitolo siyabuya emva komsuzwana. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Our Father. Yini majikele zingqendo uthanda ukubamba njalo. Hamba usunezimbiza abantu batofona. Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi la kwingqophamlando nengqayizivele yohlelo Ekhaya Jikelele. Uma kade bona wombhali wemidlalo efaka phakathi umbango kanye nozalo uDuma Ndlovu uthi uMbongeni Ngema ubegxile kakhulu emsebenzini wakhe ethanda futhi ukuxoxa ngeindaba ezithinta izwekazi Afrika. Simlandile ke mbukeli ubaba uNdlovu kuze sizoxoxa naye ngokuwa komthomkhulu uMbongeni Ngema. Baba uNdlovu asikubingelele sikwamukele lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje kuseni.
No, siyabonga kakhulu kubalekile ukuthi mase kwesihle isehlakalo esinjena umuntu asondela azobhonga emswaneni ngoba silahlekelwe kakhulu sisizwe sasemzansi.
Baba uNdlovu nembala uwile umuthi omkhulu sigqemeke ngeqwantwala ingozi liguqile iqhawe lasemangadini.
Futhi ke nje izinto ezinjena zinokwenzeka ningazelene. Njoba sisike sezwa ke kule insuku ezidlule wonke umuntu uyaqhamuka ukhuluma ngamaplana bebenawo noDlokovu wonke umuntu nje uxoxa ngokuthi lensizwa ibisayimisele ukwenze njani futhi ububona ukuthi ibisayimisele ukuphila isikhathi eside futhi iqokelele ilahlele itshe sivivaneni njengokufana nemisebenzi yakhe yesikhathi esidlule. Silahlekelwe kakhulu.
Sike sakuzwa ukukhuluma nesiteshi sesingisi uchaza ngobuqhawe bukaMadlokovu ikakhulukazi ke ngesikhathi phela esebenzisa ubuciko bakhe. Sicela nje ukuthi usenabele ngalokho.
Lensizwa ngasho ngithi kube kuyile insuku zaphambilini bengingasho ngithi sabuthwa sonke ngoba sihlangane okokuqala masifika nje eminyakeni ekuthiwa ngesingisi ama-late 20s saba nobudlelwane ngokusebenza ke njalo ngangihlala phesheya mina endaweni yaseNew York futhi ngiwomunye wabantu ababe rana ama-theater besebenza ngazo lezi zobuciko nezaseshashalazini. Wafika yena bezokwenza umdlalo wakhe iWoza Albert and safika sahlangana kusho ukuthi igazi lethu lahambelana kahle kakhulu. Ngase ngiqala ngihlanganisa into yokuthi athole ama-audiences avulelekile e-America ngoba umuntu wayenako ukuthi abe in touch nabantu abamnyama base-America. Ngempela ke ngenxa yezizathu ezimbili ukuthi wayenethalent elikhulu kakhulu futhi umuntu osebenza kakhulu. Ngingasho ukuthi nami ngapha kwelami side ngangikhandla kakhulu ngisebenza ngokuyikhandla lokuhlanganisa ke kwethu amandla ethu ayengafani kwaba nempumelelo nesasasa elikhulu kakhulu ngemisebenzi yakhe eNew York. And kwagcina sekuyi-America jikelele kwagcina sekuwumhlaba wonke kodwa kwaqala ngokuthi sihlanganiseke nje amathalent ethu ngokusebenza.
Bewehluke ngani ke umsebenzi kaNgema kweminye imisebenzi yini lebi menza uNgema ukuthi ke avelele Duma?
Ngizothi nje uma ngibuka imidlalo yaseshashalazini eAmerica kwakuvela imisebenzi ephuma eSouth Africa eyibhalwa ngiyaxolisa ukuyibeka kanjena eyibhalwa abantu bebala okungasibo abantu abamnyama. Ukhona ke nje umbhali nje odumile futhi onali talent kwakubukwa imidlalo yakhe kuphela. Ngase ngithi mina kwabantu baseAmerica hayibo bakhona ababhali eSouth Africa abaletha imibono yabantu abamnyama namaciko namasiko abantu abamnyama. uNgema ke ngaleso sikhathi wayivutha amalanga wangisiza kakhulu ke nami njengoba ngangisho ukuthi bakhona abantu abamnyama the ngokufika kwakhe nemisebenzi yakhe kwaqala kwabonakala lecala leli lase South Africa abelungu nabantu bapheshe babengavamisile ukubona babevamise ukuzwa iside yabelungu ukuthi kwenzekani eSouth Africa kodwa ngokufika umuntu ofana noNgema ngifeke uNgema wokuqala nje wafika waqhakambisa kakhulu ukuthi abantu abamnyama bona bathini bazizwa kanjani kanti futhi netalent labo negalelo labo. Ube nelinye talent uNgema engingakaze ngilibone na anybody else wayithatha imizimba yabantu ayenze ubumba ayibumbe ukuthi yenze izithombe estage ongacabanga ukuthi etheater ungazibona izithombe ezinjalo. Both kuWoza Albert both kuAsinamali nakwamanye nakweminye ke imidlalo yakhe wayenalelo ciko. Kungakho ke imisebenzi yakhe yayithandwa kangaka ngoba wayefika nento engajwayelekile.
Njengoba nje umuntu owayintatheli ngalezi ayikhathi ke zobandlulula kwakunzima kangakanani ke emacikweni ke abantu abamnyama ukuthi ke asebenze ngaphansi kombuso wobandlululo.
Ngikhule athi ngizabu 1977 in the 70s la amabhunu ayesicindezele kakhulu. Manje ukuphendula umbuzo wakho kuthanda kuba nzimanyana ngoba amabhunu ayesicindezele futhi ayenza yonke ngayo yonke indlela yokuthi singaphumeleli. Kodwa igalelo nokuyimisela kwakukhona kubantu abamnyama kwakuba ngathi ayikho nokuba khona leyo mthetho ngoba uma sesithi siyafuna ukuyenza into sasiyenza bethanda bengathandi futhi ke emalokishini sasiphakama nje sivele simbumbane sibe imbumba into ongakazi uyibona. Manje ezobuciko ke ngaleso sikhathi zaziholwa umnumzane umufi uGibson Kente owafika wenza imangaliso naye ungema ke uyithwasa lika Kente. By the time ongema nathi sesifika kwasekulula ngenxa yemisebenzi yaseyenziwa uGibson Kente owaqala umzila wetheater emalokishini abantu abamnyama. Amabhunu azama ukumstopha kodwa bahluleka. Uma sekufika ke ongema wasukhona lo mzila kwasekubalula ke ukuthi bahambe einyathelweni zika Gibson Kente. Angisho ukuthi kwakulula kwakunzima kodwa ukuyimisela kwethu nokuyikhandla kwethu kwakwahlula amabhunu yiko nje kwenzeka imisebenzi emihle kangaka.
Cha uqinisile ke babuduma umusho njalo ngoba sike saxoxisana nabanye ngokwedlula ke emhlabeni kwenqalabutho ubaba uPeter Magubane obengumthwebuli wezithombe naye wayesebenza ngalezo ikhathi njengoba usho nje ukuthi manimisele ize noma amabhuna incindezele kodwa manimisele kwenza into naniyenza ngoba nabo bebephawula ukusho ukuthi wayesho ubaba Magubane ukuthi kwakungavumelekile ukuthi bashuthe uma kungavumelekile ukuthi bashuthe bona baze bathathe izinkwa bayikhiphe lokho kuphakathi bafake ikamera phakathi yingakho ke izithombe zakhe zakwazi ukuthi isabalale nakwamanye amazwe. Engabe nje ke ulimele kangakanani umkhakha wayekaqedisa isizungu duma ngokuguqa kwaleli qhawe linqalabutho. Ngeke ngakhuluma lapha nobaba uMhlongo ochazile washo ukuthi cha iacademy le kababa uMbongeni ingema isazoqhubeka ngoba konke bese kuhlelekile neaccreditation isitholakele nokuyinto ethokozisa kakhulu ukwazi ukuthi umsebenzi awuzukuma uzoqhubeka.
Iqiniso ngalomkhakha wethu umkhakha wethu ufana nemndeni yabantu abamnyama. Uyazi uma unganothisa la emndenini yethu uma kuqhamuka umuntu emndenini othizeni ake sithi kwaNdlovu fike umuntu ahlabahlose. Iqiniso elibuhlungu ukuthi uma isehambile emhlabeni kuyaye kube yinkinga ukuthola umuntu ozongena ezicathuleni zakhe. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu banomdlanga banesasasa futhi siyayithanda thina ukuthi umuntu uma eseshiyile bese sikhuluma kakhulu senze izithembiso. It takes more than ukukhuluma. Kufuna ukwenza mina njengengane yakwaGatsheni uma ngibheka around kunzima ngoba ababaningi abantu number 1 abanale talent elifana nabantu abafana nabongema number 1 number 2 abantu abanokuyikhandla nokuyimisela kangaka igenge namhlanje sifuna isincephezelo yonke into encane abafuna ukuyenza bafuna isincephezelo thina sasisebenza ku-environment la kwakungekho mali yama-rehearsal kwakungekho mali i-taxi wawuzibona ukuthi uphuma kanjani manje mina ngithi akuthembisi kangabo njengoba ngisho uma ungabheka amakhaya abantu ababedumile benza imali besebenza amaningi abafadalele nawo nomkhakha wethu unaleyo nkinga nale usengozini nasengcupheni yokuthi imizamo yabantu abafana nongema ingasaqhubekeli phambili ngoba uma ngibheka lentsha yethu namhlanje angibaboni abantu abasukumayo bacwebezele befana nale genge engithi mina ngabuthwa nayo.
Manje nje ke babuduma ungathini ke emndenini kaNgema kanye nje nako amanye amaciko ke lapha eNingizimu Afrika yonkana ngokwedlula emhlabeni kaNgema.
Kumndeni wakwaNgema thina abantu bakwaNdlovu sithi sibe siqinisekile ukuthi sikhulumela amaciko amaningi sithi balale ngenxeba kwehlanga lungehlanga. Ngibhlungu kakhulu ngibengisasho nje kwabanye abantu bengikhuluma nabo ukuthi ngangisabhekile last week just before ukuphuma kweindaba zokuthi uNgema sesishiyile ngangibhekile la ekhasini lami bengikhumbuza ukuthi 10 years ago ngoDecember uBoy Ngema umfowabo uNgema omncane owayeyiciko elimangalisayo naye wasishiya emhlabeni ngengozi yemoto sithi kwabakantusi kwabasithenjwa nilale ngenxeba akwehlanga lungehlanga sithi siyabonga isikhathi enasipha yena umntwana wenu ukuthi asebenzele iSouth Africa yonke njengoba senikulesimo nisemanzini sikhala nani futhi sizozama noma sengikhulumele nje ukuthi angithembi kangaka kodwa sizozama ukuthi imisebenzi yakhe ingaciyeleki phansi, ilegacy yakhe iphile ngonaphakade masingakho.
Sibonga kakhulu ke Gatsheni ngesikhathi sakho lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sithobeka kakhulu ngokuthi usiphi isikhathi. Sithembe nje ke nokuthi ke njengoba ke ibekwa lenqalabutho namhlanje konke kuzohamba kahle.
Siyathokoza.
Lewo ke mbukeli bekuyinqalabutho yombhali wemidlalo kamabonakude intatheli kanye nomqondisi uDuma Ndlovu besixoxa naye ngokwedlula emhlabeni kwenqalabutho efihlwayo namhlanje. Umbongeni Ngema uyafihlwa namhlanje, insizwa ke ibinogqozi le olumangazayo eyimisela futhi ewuthanda umsebenzi wakhe. Sibe nenhlanhla ke nathi ngoba nakuba uhlelo lungakahlanganisa unyaka lukhona la kumabonakude kodwa kuNgema yena uke walibeka unyawo lwakhe la ekhaya Jikelele. Sisiquke nje ke idolo siyabiyemva komzuzwana.
Sangihamba ngo-commissioner Ibobu Aroshet Obhekesa Floor Sham Shoes baby Yobona wena baby.
Sibambe ngazibini imbukeli we-Ekhaya Jikelele ngokuba usahleli nathi. Kanti ke sihlabela mgama sincokola noBuntu Thembani owayesakuba yimbethi manqindi ekumgangatho ngezantsi i-semi-professional boxer ukutsho. Ngoku ke ungumqeqeshi wamanqindi owaziwayo nonamava wafumane kumaziko ahlukeneyo okuzilolonga. Ukanti ke lonto ke kaThembani ukwanguye ke nomdlali weqonga. Ukuva banzi ngako konke okusinaye buqu apha estudio. Mqithi masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni, unjani?
Ndiyabulela sisi, ndaphila akho nto. Kunjani kuwe?
Nathi siyaphila enkosi. Siyafuna into yobana usilandise uqala kwakho ungena kwi-boxing.
Okay, mna ndibuya emva ekhaya ePlattenberg Bay. Sasingama bafana basebancinci kakhulu sisenza i-boxing i-boxing company babeyibiza ukuthi i-A2 Boxing Club eyayingxalenye ye-A2 Boxing Club eyayise East London, yayilidwa ngumfo bembiza ukuthi umphumzile kaDalingebo. Ndaqala khona ke ePleti sisilwa kuma-nice na human stop ukuya ku-PE ukunyuka uya ngase-George. Ndathe kambe kwexesha ke kodwa umama wayengayithandi loo nto esithi uzawulimala uma usenza le nto. Ndaqonda ukuthi okay mandiphumele kwicala le-art. So ndiyiboxa ndiphinde ndibe yi-art kwakhona.
Amazing, because benza funa uqonda lonto into yobana ungena kwakho waqonda into yobana jonga ndingumqithi nezakhono ezahlukileyo ndizidiversifya njani ezi zakhono zami. Inhle kakhulu lonto oyenzayo. So ungena ke ngoku into yobana ube ngumqeqeshi ukusukela into yobana ube yimbethi manqindi yenze ke njani lonto?
Emveni kokuba ndiye ndayeka ukulwa mna bendithanda lonto kakhulu yokuthi ndibe soloko ndisestagini ndisilwa kwi-boxing matches, but also ndabona ukuthi kunabantu abafunayo lento nabo ukuthi baqeqeshwe kuba i-boxing ayonto yokulwa kuphela, kumdlalo lona kwaye futhi uyinto yokuthi ukwazi uzilolonga wena ungumuntu. So ndaqhubekeka ndithe sendingapha kwelicala laseJoburg ndakwazi ukuthi ndahamba ndayofunda more about i-boxing, ukwazi ukuthi senze lento siyibiza i-white collar boxing, ukwazi ukuthi no contact boxing.
Uthi mama wathi wabeka ngonyawo phansi wathi
mntanam apha abanye bayalimala apha engqondweni so phuma kulento. Kodwa ke njengoba ndiyambulela ngaloo nto kuba siyabona ukuthi ngoku kwicala le-boxing i-very dangerous kakhulu, asisakwazi ukuthi sizilolonge ngendlela e-right before siyokulwa.
Ndiyathemba into yobana akho manxeba aseleyo kuwe mqeqeshi uphelele.
Hayi, akho manxeba aseleyo, sisaqeqesha nangoku and ngeli xesha ke kungona ndithi ndifocuse kakhulu kwicala le-white collar boxing andisangene estagini nangoku. Just
uyaqeqesha nje kuphela.
Yes.
Kodwa ndiyathemba kule nto ichaphazelayo into yokubana ixesha ngoku selatshintsha kuyaphawuleka into yokubana kukhona ukusilela kokulolongwa kwengqondo. Njengomqeqeshi ndiyathemba into yokubana yi-gap oyifilayo leyo. Uye watsho ngaphambili into yokubana uye wasebenzisana kakhulu noPhumzile Dalingebo. Ndiyafuna uqonda into yobana igalelo lakhe nendlela mhlawumbe athe wanefutho ngayo ebomini bakho liye laguqula njani?
Umfo kaDalingebo wayengumfo onolwazi kakhulu ngeboxing, ebuya khona eMdantsane, and into wayesoloko ithetha kum ukuthi xa uzolwa yilento futhi ufuneka ube clean emzimbeni nasengqondweni, ube clear, ukwazi ukuthi mawungena kwi-ring ungacingi izinto ezingaphandle. Loo nto ndayithatha mna ndayibeka nakubomi ukuthi ebomini funeka uqale ucinge phambi kowenze izinto nanamhlanje sisathetha nophumzile kaDalindyebo sewemkokwela cala ukwelicala laseMpumalanga kodwa kakhulu ndisazifumana izixwayiso kuye futhi
uthetha into ezibalulekileyo into bana funeke ucoce ingqondo ukuze xa upha eqongeni nathi bantu esikubukeleyo lento ubuzimisela uba uyayenza uyenze ngempumelelo. Ndiyarhalela uqonda into bana lamava othe wawaqokelela njengoko ubuyimbethi manqindi wasebenzisana notata uphumzile wasebenzisana kanjalo namaziko ohlukileyo wokuzilolonga. Lamava othe wawaqokelela ungathi mhlambe njengoko ngokungumqeqeshi zeziphi i-principles othi wena uyazi-instila kwaba bantu baqeqeshayo?
Siswam i-boxing xa uzongena kwi-boxing into yokuqala njengoba ndisitsho ukuthi ifuna ube ne-discipline ube ne-discipline ngendlela ungayi ukuthi yonke into eyenzekayo ebomini ifuna inqindi ayifuni inqindi yonke into ngumdlalo and ngumdlalo obaluleke kakhulu nawe funeka usoloko ucinga ukuthi mandingena pha njengemna abantu baqeqeshayo uzombona omnye wabo ukhona apha namhlanje ndiye ndimchazele ukuthi i-technique ibalulekile mawuboxa ungangeni nje uvuthulule i-technique ibalulekile nokuthi funeke umfunde umuntu olwa naye kwi-boxing i-opponent yakho leyo ungena uzodinwa msinyane ungayigqibi imijikelo yakho so
ishubile ayishubile kwa boxing
ayishubi kakhulu mawuzilungiselele kodwa mawungene nje ngongqama izawushuba.
Sentsho ngoku usithatha usibeke usinikeza umfanekiso ungqondweni wokuba kwenzeka ntoni kwi-boxer ngaphambi kokuba ingene eqongeni because thina abantu ababukeleyo ezinto zibalulayo into bana umuntu ufuneka abe disciplined abe njani zizinto mhlambe esingazicingi kodwa ngokuchazayo siyacinga into bana lo muntu kuye kwaba khona i-preparation before abe kanti ungena kweli qonga. Ndiyafuna uqonda into bana njengoko ke ubusilwa zithini mhlambe inkumbulo nazo uyawukhumbula mhlambe umlo wawunayo uqonda ba ajonga ngoku le opponent endinayo indibambe ngobhongwane. Any memories that you share?
Yes, okokuqala mawuzawulwa funeka uzicondition umzimba wakho. Mawuthetha ngama memories ngikhumbula ndise-Human Stop. We were fighting i-group eyayibuya kwela cala yamakhaladi. One funeka ube make sure ukuthi i-weight uyayenza.
Okay.
I was a strawweight then, 45. Mandifika pha uyakwazi ukuthi ungatyi uzivimbe namanzi before uzikala ndayenza weight yangu 45.
Okay.
Yafika le ndoda yangu 45 ndabe ndiyijonga ukuthi hayi lixheke kweli. Ngathi no masiphindeni futhi kwathiwa hayi ngenani esikaleni sangena sisiwam estagini ukhona apho ndandifuna ukuthi ndithi hayi no asibeke phansi njeke ndanele ngoku kodwa ke ndabe ndibona ukuthi ezisenginam ziwinile zona manizawujika ndibuye emva ndimndoda oluzileyo izaba yenye into leyo yayifighta inzima kakhulu kodwa noko zange ndiluze ndadrawa zange ndiwine ndadrawa it was a tough one bakubethe kule ndaba uncancazele nawe
supposisa
ndikuchaza ungaxelela.
So ndiyarhalela uqonda xa ukula situation yoba ubethwe unkulwe ude uthi mhlambe kwakufikela ixesha loba ngoku ufuna unikezela but awanikezela ungathi mhlambe from i-boxing itself zeziphi mhlambe imfundiso zobomi ozithabathayo?
I-boxing it's sport mawuyibox awufani ne-soccer player. Funeke wena uconcentrate wena ngokwakho because i-opponent yakho imelana nawe. I-life leyo elifini ingxaki zakho zimelana nawe. Ukhona ucoach wakho ozawuchazela ukuthi wenze ntoni kodwa masongene ngaphakathi nguwe ozawuphuma phayana uyiwinile lento ifunayo okanye uluzile. Bubomi and imfundiso bomini.
Bubomi sana usathetha ngokuwina noluza kuyabonakala into yokubana kolu hambo lwakho uye wazi-diversifya sakubona ko-generations sakubona utrayina kananjalo bodybuilding sakubona ke nakumboniso wamvanje i-smoke phaa ku-e.tv. Khasibalisele ngohambo lwakho lokuba ungene kwi-arts and injani industry. Which one is your first love?
Art actually angeke ndithi which one is my first love because zonke lezi zinto ziyahlangana.
Okay.
Manditrainer abantu for umzekelo manditrainer abantu I command bajonga mna. When I'm on TV on stage I still do the same thing feeling iyafana. Mandi phambi kwabantu kangokuba ndiyonela ngaphakathi emphefumulweni. Angeke ndithi kuwe le ndiyithanda ukogqitha leyo ndizithanda zonke
uzithanda zonke
Ndizithanda
zezakho zonke
zezam zonke kwaye
babalwe
futhi
ngazo
ziyandonwabisa.
zonke
Ziyandonwabisa zonke
Mkhosi bekumnandi kakhulu into yobana usindwendwele sibe nodliwano-ndlebe nawe mhle kakhulu umsebenzi owenzayo into yobana uqale uyimbethi manqindi usuke apho ube ngumqeqeshi uzinwebe nako siyakubona ngoku ko-television mhle kakhulu umsebenzi wakho kwaye sikufisela konke okuhle kodwa ke ngaphambi kokuba sikukhulula ikhona into oyiphathele ababukeli bethu ufuna ubaqeqesha
ikhona into endiyiphathele ababukeli sizawuthi ubabonisa nje kancinci ukuthi xa ungena eklasini okanye xa ungena utrainer for boxing zintoni ozenzayo usukela kuma-warm-ups ukuya kwi-main workout nokuthi how do you cool down emvani koko zizinto
engathi ndizalidinga oluqeqesho kule nyanga mnumzana please come join us on stage
all right lona ke ngu-eve ngomnye wabantu endibaqeqeshayo so sizawuthi nje ndikubonise nje few punches kwi-boxing sina about 6 punches and sizibiza ngama-numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 1 and 2 ngama-straight punches that's 1 2 again that's 1 2 give me 3 4 3 4 3 4 then 5 and 6 5 and 6 5 and 6 with boxing, what we do is you must always lead with the leg that is with your jab. You lead with the leg so that when you jab, you closer. Jab, jab. Always make sure you open up the gap, the river. Don't close it because if someone you're jabbing and he goes, river closed, you will fall. So keep the river open. Let's go 1 2, 1 2 and go under. There we go again. There we go, again. 1 2, go under, give me the right. Under, and there we go. Let's do it again. And there we go, one more time. Now you feel warmer, and then we're going to do the ladder. You jump out, squat outside, jump in, and give me 1 2. Let's go back. Squat out, jump in, and give me 2. And move. In. And move. In. Now this, when we do this, we also now bring in HIIT and functional workout. The reason we're having these gloves, MMA, is because you can also do the burpees at the same time. But if you're wearing the normal boxing gloves, those are too big for you to do all the stuff. You're gonna give me 1 2, go down, give me burpee and stand up. Let's go. Down, kick, and up. That's functional, functional. Let's go again. And down. That time the heart rate is starting to go up now. Go. Down. Give me 2 more. And give me last one. And at that time, your heart rate is so up. And then you will give me the sprints. So sprint all the way down here, come here. If you guys can see me with the knees up. We're picking up that heart rate more now. Give me sprints. High knees. Give me 6. There we go. Okay, guys, it is always important that before you do anything that is hectic, whether plyometrics or stuff, make sure that the whole body is ready for it. The muscles are ready, the joints are ready before you do anything that is jumping up and down. And then after that, we are going to cool down. You'll give me 1 more sprint this way and come back and then stand next to me and go. There we go. Beautiful. Stand next to me. I want us to go side to side, side to side. Keep the guards up, side to side, side to side. Already now, keep going, don't stop. Already now, not only you working on your shoulders, but now you're working on your love handles. Ladies, love handles are what you call obliques. So they work. You keep moving side to side, side to side, side to side. We're doing the whole body workout now. At the same time, if you don't have enough room in your space, you can do the abs, not sitting down, not lying down, but standing up. Have your hands on your head and give me side. Those are for the abs, obliques. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. With exercising, especially boxing, don't start too hard. You can start with 2, 3 days. And then later, as you feel like you're getting used to the routine, later, ungakwazi ukuthi wenze 5 to 6 days a week. But again, start with about 30 minutes. Don't make it too big, like 45 on the first day. 30 minutes, then go and rest. Let the body rest because umzimba ubalulekile ukuthi ureste. ngeke ubenefit umzimba if you are soloko nje usejimini wena awubi naxesha lolala. Ulala kubalulekile, amanzi, usela amanzi. And I know ngeli xesha abantu babuya ema-festivini bafuna ukuthi bayobuyela ejimini. Goals. Those goals, they end after 2 weeks. Umuntu athi hayi ngifuna ukuthi by June ndizabe ndi-right. But you don't go to the gym. Make sure you go to the gym, you also rest. You eat the right food. Remember, it's 2080, guys, 2080. All right, just one last thing we're going to do. Just roll, 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 roll. Let's go. This is your conditioning warm up. You roll, at the same time, it goes on your abs. You tighten your abs, and then you keep going. We're conditioning the body. Some people, whether can do this for the whole hour. One thing, just keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, guys, that's what we do when we box. And we also have what we call footwork. Just make sure that you keep that, make sure you have your mat next to you. And then you do punches, you do abs, legs, so that you're ready for the fight. All right? Thank you, guys. Nice one.
Bantuna yesi Banazo sitolo sote Wentunu zumbolege ntuguma Uzumbolege upogobo Heya mikaite gani Wentunu zumbolege ntuguma.
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Hayi bajulukile abantu laphana sibona befunda iboxing. Njengamanje ngembukeli sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ke sitholeke umculo. Ubani umculo ozivashele namhlanje?
Siphethe umculo. Naye uzawuphinda ngathi uzawusijulukisa nje kancinci. Igama lakhe nguHappy Shandu. Ngumculo ke oshaya uculo olufana ne-hip hop. Ingoma ke azawusenzela yona ithi Love Heals No More Pain. Happy Shandu iqonga lelakho.
Like what time? Let's go, let's go.
I was feeling in the corner, coming up and bami. Active no cool, busy, she's an animal. Man just ain't cool, little busy, hlanganisa imali. All the days of pain are gone away. As I'm on my way, the pain has faded away. Ukubona omunye umuntu ajabulile kuyathokozisa. Kuvuleka inhliziyo idedele igazi ngoba uthando luyapholisa. Ubheke phezulu ubuze kumdali uzokhombisa. Kumane kuvuleka izulu udedele igazi njengephoyisa. I was chilling in the corner, blowing abangani bami. Acting no cool, busy, she's an animal. Man just ain't cool, little busy, hlanganisa imali. All the days of pain are gone away. As I'm on my way, the pain has faded away. All the days of pain have gone away. As I'm on my way, the pain has faded away. Ukubona omunye umuntu ajabulile kuyathokozisa. Kuvuleka inhliziyo idedele igazi ngoba uthando luyapholisa. Ubheke phezulu ubuze kumdali uzokhombisa. Kumane kuvuleka izulu udedele igazi njengephoyisa. I was chilling in the corner, blowing abangani bami. Acting no cool, busy, she's an animal. Man just ain't cool, little busy, hlanganisa imali.
Like what times?
Siphinde sikwamukele mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi. Ngaphambi kokuthi sekhefini sizweke umculo omnandi ophuma lapha ku Happy Shandu. Happy ke Shandu sifumba yena udume ngelika Happy, umculi ke oshaya uhlobo lomculo we-hip hop kanti usebenza ngaphansi kwenkampani yakhe ebizwa nge-Happy Pty Ltd. Leli ciko lazalelwa eSoweto, Orlando West kanti laqala lineminyaka eyi12 ukwenza umculo. Kanti ngo-2020 waqokwa njengomculo ovelele emncintiswaneni weyindondo obizwa ngama-City Awards. Manje ke soxoxa naye ngomsebenzi wakhe. Happy, asikubingelele sikamukele la ekhaya Jikelele.
Nami ngiyajabula ukuba khona ekhaya Jikelele. Thank you so much for inviting me.
Hey, ngiyezwa lapha kuthiwa wenza into ezinkulu. Uno Happy Pty Ltd. Ngo-2020 wenza big things. So awuqala ushela ukuthi yena njengoba wenza umculo we-hip hop, wenza nje strictly hip hop or versatile?
Kahle kahle, it's alternative hip hop, so you can say it's versatile.
Okay.
So yeah, mina ngu-Happy, born and bred Orlando West Extension. Started my company in 2019. That's where it's officially a company. So far so good. I was nominated as top 5 artist City Awards.
Yes.
I was voted runner-up, top 5.
Phela nomination is as good as a win.
So yeah, so far so good. What I'm doing, I'm running a Star Music podcast, just to create opportunities for up and coming artists, Abasekasi, and as well I'm running an event called the Be Happy NYE Festival.
Okay.
We had our first edition, it was December. So this is the cup. This cup is a token to the event. You get this cup, you pay for this cup, you get a free general ticket to the event. So right now we are running a hashtag Road to Be Happy NYE Festival 2024. Yeah.
Oh, okay. How already sent NYE one 2024.
So yeah, the previous one had about DJs NSA as our headlining artist, Abokamuti. We had special appearance by Trabo.
So ngiyezwa ukuthi na waqala ukuba interested noma waqala ukucula at the age of?
At the age of 12.
12?
Yeah, I was doing, say, Seventh-day Adventist primary school. So it started with gumboots dancing. It started with performance, then it went back just to make things short. High school, Panacho Park High School. I performed Mrs. and Mrs. Panacho Park. That's where my music really started.
So nje ngoba ukhethe hip hop ngoba mhlawumbe yaba inspiration noma ubuthi look up to uze ugqugquzeleke ukuthi yabona ke cha hip hop ngathi ngaba right for me.
Okay, no ngiyawuzwa umuntu engimbheka kakhulu am artist afana no KO or AKA.
Hayi ngizwile isound khona into ethi esab KO wanyana lapha ya.
And AKA naye futhi. Yeah, so kakhulukazi uThembiseta is my biggest inspiration because bengumbhekelela ngikazi zebhumshaka going onwards till today she's still consistent. So
la ku Instagram i-handle yakhe ithini ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi sibone nemisebenzi yakhe oyenzayo nanokuthi abantu nje emakhaya babefisa ukulandela bakwazi ukuthi babone khona.
No kunankinga i-handle lami ithi @HVPPY_world.
Oh, okay. Just like nje usukubhala i-publishing company yakho. So nje ungatheni mhlambe kubantu ke abasebancane abasafisa ukuthi you know what ne siyafisa nathi ungena kulomkhakha lo hip hop nami ngiyayithanda or omunye umculo nje omunye mapha ama challenges mhlambe ongathi ubhekane nawe wona nanokuthi uwa overcome kanjani?
My challenge is to be an independent artist kahle is really having the funds to invest on yourself. I think that's the biggest challenge. So ukubhekana nawo, what I did is open a store, a Be Happy store that will help me really to reinvest everything to me so that ngikwazi ukupusha the way pushing akhona in terms of music. Ngashiyi any loopholes in terms of the process of growing.
So amaculo ama-album urelease ngama-single umculo wakho utholakala lapho on iTunes or mhlawumbe uyadistributela?
Okay, ngiyadistributela like le ngoma eceda ukukhala no, it's Love Heals No More Pain. It's available only on YouTube as a visualizer. So I'm planning to release it as a multimedia to all distribution platforms in terms of having a music video plus it being released on all digital platforms.
So ngiyibuza ukuthi like as a hip hop artist for example uma ngabe ucula nje like leli culo obulicula like ikhona umuntu oba responsible for ukubhalela or you write your own songs?
No, I compose, write my own songs from the beginning.
So nje from the age of 12 konke lento le composing ufunda like how do you start? Ufunda phi lokhu composer nokubhala?
No, I think, sister, like it's more of a spiritual thing more than anything, yabo. Ngithumela like imiyalezo ukuthi ngibhale whatever ngibhalayo. I can't say really ukuthi ngifunde somewhere. It's God given.
Nje italent onalo kusuke kuphuma kuwe ngaphakathi. Manje ikhona enye ingoma sazosiculela yona noma usushaye wedlula.
Zikhona kodwa this is the latest song that I'm pushing, so I don't wanna yabo.
Uwamixe kakhulu.
Disturb process.
Yeah. No, happy siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uzivakashela ekhaya Jikelele. Sikufisela nje konke okuhle ngathi ngahamba kahle ke nasemculweni wakho.
No, ngibonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Mbukelekele wabesikhuluma naye uHappy ongumculi ke hip hop onenkampani laphana ke ethi Happy PTY Ltd okuyiyona ke publishing company. Njengamanje mbukeli sothi nje ke qhu edolo siyabemva kumsuswana.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Our Father.
Mbukelezi phela lapho ke besiniphathele zona lapha ekhaya Jikelele siyozibona ngomsombuluko ngehora lesi-2 ekuseni.
Sivalelise sithambe kahle kaloku negorheli ngenabatha yena ubawo umbongeni ngemachuncembe sihamba kanjalo ke si ekhaya Jikelele makube chosi kubele kamnandi
Sale kahle.
Our Father, which art in heaven, hallowed